These simple talking object videos are getting millions of views across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. The best part? You can create them with AI in just a few minutes. Let me show you exactly how. First, search on Google Explore GPTs and search for Object Talk. Open it and click Start Chat. Now type the name of any object you want to bring to life. For this example, let's use tomato. The GPT will instantly generate everything you need. You'll get a complete image prompt, a video prompt, and several extra ideas for related objects so you can create an entire series of videos. Copy the image prompt first, and then open Google Flow. Go to the Image tab and click Create Image. Select the Nano Banana Pro model, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for shorts, paste the prompt, and click Generate. In a few moments, your image will be ready. Next, return to the GPT and copy the video prompt. Go back to Google Flow, upload the image you just created, paste the video prompt into the prompt box, and click Generate. After a short wait, your talking object video will be ready.
I may look soft, but I'm packed with vitamin C. Don't judge me by my skin. I help protect your body while making every meal brighter. Slice me fresh and you'll taste why I belong on the table.
Simply repeat the same process with different objects to create viral videos.
I'm not lazy. I'm running dozens of apps, while you expect perfect battery life. Every notification, video, and game drains my energy. Charge me wisely, and I'll last much longer.
I tested this workflow with several everyday objects, and here are the results I got. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI content.